So guys, the snapshot of your Hamster Kombat coin will be taken tomorrow, that is 20th of the September for the season 1. That means you have 1 day to increase your profit. So I'll be telling you in this particular video how you can double, triple or even 5x your profit. So I'll be telling you the most effective ways in which you can 5x your coins or 5x your profit in the Hamster Kombat. It's going to be very interesting video, so that if you want to increase your profit, suppose Hamster Kombat is going to give an average token of 10,000. If you multiply into 0.01, that is the price prediction we have made, that is $100 per average, you can tell. So how to convert this, or how you can get 200, 300 or even $500 from the Hamster Kombat, which I'll be explaining in this particular video. So stay with me till the end. All the important ways and the most effective ways I'll be telling you and I'll be showing you in this particular video. So before moving forward, I would like to thank each and everyone. We have now surpassed 500k. That means Knightron family has reached 500,000 followers on YouTube. So big congratulations. A new giveaway will be coming up. So tell me in the comment section which coin giveaway you want to have. So I'll be making that particular giveaway. And also make sure this particular video reaches 5,000 likes. Hit the like button and also comment down right now which coin giveaway you want. So okay, let's quickly start up here. So I'll be telling you the first most effective way, and the first important thing you have to do is in the achievements. They have been clearly telling you. So there is no reason for you to hold up your balance, hold up your coin. So if I go to the achievement section, so I have reached 200 million coins. That is, I'm in the 15%, top 15%. So I have the coin balance right now, which is almost 99 million. So it's lesser than 200 million, but still I have that particular card. So you have to think in that particular way. So if you are holding 99 million, so is it possible for me to reach 1.5 billion, which is the next target to reach the new card? Is it possible for me to reach? So if no, you have to invest all these coins in whichever next card you can purchase, and invest in those cards or achievements which will have lesser amount of percentage. So here, as you can see, this card upgrade to level 5, many people might be having this. Only 0.5% of the total community, which is almost 350 million users in Hamster, only 0.5 people are having. So you have to jump into this rather than increasing your coin balance or increasing your profit per hour. So you can also check your profit per hour. Convert my 1 million profit per hour into 2 million profit per hour within 1 day, investing all the coins which I have. And after I convert to that, is the percentage here lesser than the other percentage? You have to be amongst the lesser amount of people here. So you can see this thing, you can do it better if you are focusing on this. I'll be telling you the card which you can do it to get the level 25. Here, as you can see, it will be under 0.5%. So all these calculation you have to do in your mind, and you can calculate easily, and then you can jump into that particular process. So guys, the most easy card to get you to level 25 is KYC or KYB. You can calculate according to your balance. So for example, if this is 831k, so 17th level will be doubling up. So double of the amount, which is almost going to be 1.6 million. Next, it will be doubling up 3.2 million. So you have to calculate in that wise, and you will be understanding that whether you have enough balance to come to this particular level, that is level 25, so that you can unlock that particular card. So you have to understand in that particular way. If that is not possible, invest your coins in others, that is the skins. Because if I convert it to 2 million coins or 2 million profit per hour, the achievement here is 9.2. But the same thing, if I have 10 skins, the achievement here is 2.74. So this will be giving you more coins. This will be giving you more profits than the profit per hour, than the coin accumulation. So you just have 1 day. So understand it, use it. This is the first most effective way with which you can get the highest amount of profit in the Hamster Kombat, that is double, triple or even 5x. So next most effective way is that you need to trade well. This comes after the listing of Hamster, that is on 26 September. So this is the very important way. So we have done this in docs, we have done this in Notcoin. So once we have the highest amount of the price reaches the top during the time of listing, we are going to sell at the top. So suppose we are going to sell at this particular price, and the price comes down to the low, and again we are going to buy. So suppose I booked 300 profit, and again I'll be going to put $100 here, and again I'll be making some more profits here, which will also continue to make me profits. So these things we will be telling you in the Telegram. Previously for docs we have told, and we have done exactly. Sold at the top, bought at the bottom again, and then made a more profit again here. So this will communicate our profit, or you can say increase our profit. So if you want a live trading session, we can also do that. Tell me in the comment section if you want a live trading of Hamster Kombat. We can do on the listing date, on the launching date, we can do it for you. So this has a very good amount of impact and very good amount of power. So if you are focusing, I'll be telling you the live example which I have done. So we have sold somewhere around that, the rough calculation I'm telling you, $300 profit we have booked and bought it here at this particular point. We have bought, and again $100. So here again it went, so one more $100 we made. That means we have made $400 in total. So this is the power of trading, and this is how you are going to increase your profits, and this is the second most effective way. And coming up to the last effective way which you can increase your hamster coins is that joining the launch pool in Binance. So you can stake your BNB. If you are having BNB, you can stake your BNB, and you know the Binance is going to give you the hamster coins instead of the BNB. And once the launch pool ends, you will be also getting back your BNBs with you. That means you're going to earn Hamster Kombat for free. So this indicates that you need to have BNB, only then it's going to work. So it's on you if you want to choose this particular thing. If you are having BNB sitting in your Binance, use it in the launch pool, lock your BNB, earn hamster. After the launch pool ends, you will be getting back the BNB. Upon to that, you will be getting your hamster coins which you can again sell. So this is also going to increase your profits. So hope everything is clear. So launch pool will be there in the Binance exchange itself. You can easily understand. So if you don't understand, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll be making a separate video for that. So this is all the things you need to understand. So I want my family, I want the Knightron Crypto family to have the highest amount of profit in the Hamster Kombat. So these are the most effective ways in which you can do that. Hope you guys have understood, and if you still have any single doubt, mention in the comment section. I'll be clearing, and then you will be able to get the highest amount of profit. So every possible way we are going to help you. This is not the first time, every time we have done it. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll be meeting you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.